In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit your signature in Photoshop. So to edit your signature, there are some things that we can do. We can crop it. If you want to turn the image around, we can do that, and that'll turn it around for us. Yeah, you want to go on channels, select red. Red is the best contrast option. From here, press Command, and that will select the white areas. And press Command I. That will invert the image. And then from here, we can go to levels or curves. And the idea here is just to get the best option. Something like that. A copy, go back to here. And then if you make a duplicate of this, and then a background, deselect the background, and then you'll be left with just your signature. For that, I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.